Welcome to another Wednesday workshop from Dealer On. Dealerships looking to customize their websites can often be tempted to install third-party scripts, but these widgets can cause more trouble than they're worth. Third-party scripts can include social media sharing buttons, video embeds, analytics and metrics scripts, advertising frames, and helper libraries. Third-party products can offer functionality, but can come with unexpected problems. While avoiding third-party scripts entirely is next to impossible, you should keep them to a minimum, or even better, look for a solution from your website provider. One of the largest visible impacts of third-party scripts is slow load times, which can have a big impact on your conversion rates. A slow website can be costly, especially if your competition's website is loading quickly. Another pitfall of third-party tools is that they often don't have a home within your website, which means when the tool loads, they might cover critical areas of your website, like calls to action or even navigational elements. You always need to be aware of the impact on ADA compliance that third-party tools can have as well. While your website provider probably has you covered, adding these apps to the site can cause you all kinds of trouble if you're not careful. Third-party apps should be approached with caution, assessed for functionality, and tested on every page of your website. Or you can get the benefits of third-party products without having to worry about all of that. Cosmos from Dealer On offers you all you want from third-party apps in a single package. Every piece of Cosmos is built to work with every other piece, giving you an all-in-one package that looks clean and professional while giving your dealerships the useful functions that help you move cars. Cosmos allows you to offer customers a seamless shopping experience without sacrificing appearance, performance, or any of the other problems that can arise with third-party apps. You get cutting-edge websites and the peace of mind of knowing that your customers will love it. That's all the time we have for this week. Head over to dealeron.com to take your free demo of Cosmos and see what it can do for your site. And thanks for watching.